Yo, what is up, guys? In this video, we're gonna go over how I made $9,490 trading meme coins today. So we had a really good day. Honestly, this past week has been really good, except that Sol literally just nuked by like $4, which sucks. Honestly, I might hit a panic stable here. Don't blame me. But yeah, we had some good cooks. Let's just go over all of them. So the first highest P&L cook was ACA, Anti-Crypto Army, and I was up 60 Sol at the top here, and I only made, well, I made 41 of that 60, so I round trip 20, but I thought this was genuinely like a really good narrative. You can see my last sell here at literally 10k. And if I hit all these cool bubbles, or I guess these tracked wallets, you'd see this is like my sell distribution. I honestly sold so heavy here, like an idiot. I sold out like just way too much supply down here, but it was a vamp of another coin, so I wanted to be out safely here, because the first one already went to 100k, and it was the same image without the like signs and the things. And what the tweet was, it was really simple. I see it on my tracker, and it's Donald Trump making a tweet and says the anti-crypto army in quotes. So just knowing that, like, I knew that was good. I mean, he's talking about crypto, it was anti-crypto army. I thought it was funny, so I immediately bought it. But I was waiting for the vamp actually, because the one that insta bonded didn't have any signs or anything. It was just like a bunch of like these characters with no like indication of anti-crypto. So I knew that would get vamped, and it did. So we made 41 SOL on that. That was pretty decent. Then we made 30 SOL on jackpot. I was up 70 here. I round tripped it, and that one is painful. I mean, again, here are my sells. And this one was just this one was so painful. But this was Pump Fund introduced a new feature under the reward setting. If you go to spin to win, it's a little jackpot, and when you spin it, well, this like icon came up, and that was just jackpot coin, and that was honestly pretty self-explanatory. There was a jackpot Pepe that went to like 100k, and there were a few other like derivatives, but that was the main one. And then this morning I cheated a fat cook. That was Gosling, Justice for Gosling, and wow, that, oh wait, no, this is the first one. Okay, so a vamp of mine, Justice for Goslings plural, is now at 200k and went to a mil. And this initial one was like vamping for like an hour straight at 200k, and so I ended up losing the vamp. So at least I know I would have gone vamped, but I could have held a lot longer. You see my average exit is like 50k, and it went to like 230. And this narrative, I bought it pre-bond around 20 something k when I saw it on about to migrate. And the narrative was pretty simple. It was that a police officer had like forcefully ran over these goose. And I don't know if I could show this on YouTube, but I mean, I'll show you this part at least so you get the idea. Yeah, there you go. So the car literally runs them over like forcefully, and you know, takes their lives. And that was pretty brutal and graphic and whatever, and it caused a stir, and it would start going viral. So I saw it at 20k. I bought it because I knew it would just like get more attention, and it definitely got a lot more attention than I thought. This thing wicked really high, so I made 22k, and it's better than nothing, but I could have made a lot more. And then, okay, Axiom, so the competitor to Padre, introduced, and I round tripped like 30 SOL again on this coin. It was so bad today, the round trips, but I made 4 on this one, and it was that they introduced like a community feature. Let me see if I can find it on here. Under like news, maybe feature updates. There you go, token communities. And there was this coin that I didn't actually see. That would have been great. And then this coin right here, Artemis, and it says Artemis is like a cat or whatever that they want to buy. And it ended up already being a bonded coin, so a different one went. But you know, we still made 4 SOL on this. This was depressing. I was up so fat. But yeah. Then we made 5 SOL on Gem, which was just like a news article about like a trend that's going viral on TikTok, and it was like Gem alert, so obviously Gem, the meme coin. Then we made 5 SOL on Marmot, 5 SOL on Michael. So Marmot was I can't believe I made 5 SOL on this. It was just like a Nietzschean like little animal, whatever. It was just like cute, and I guess people liked it. It had a lot of likes. And then the other one was Michael, and I actually was up like 10, and I round tripped this because I figured out that it was LARP, but it was a guy who got ran over, or who was in a Tesla, and the Tesla went and drove like into a pond, and obviously he passed away from that. So that was like the whole narrative. And turns out his name's not Michael, and his name's not revealed yet. So whenever that name does get revealed, it'll probably do something, because obviously people are gonna talk about it and use it to shit on Elon and whatnot. But yeah, terrible. So then this next one was Hevel. I made 3 soul on it, and it was a dog that like stayed at the man's grave. Shiba Inu, I think, or no, that's not a Shiba Inu. But yeah, I don't know, some dog that stayed at a grave. And then I made 4 soul on this tryhards.space, which was actually a LARP. That's why I sold it almost immediately. But it was like an ex-employee had posted the link to the site, and someone had stolen the link, made a fake website to promote the meme coin, and made it look as if the ex-employee had posted the website, even though it was just the domain that was stolen. So yeah, that's why this wicked and insta went to 0 once people realized that it was a stolen site. And then the last 2 cooks were Bitcoin and Room. Bitcoin was, I thought this was higher, but this account with a lot of followers gave a ticker Bitcoin, Obama Sonic Inu, and then gave a picture. And it has like 20k followers, and they've spawned a couple like random, coins and runners. And then the other one was Room, which I'm actually still in. And it's like rumors that this site is going to be Pump Fund's community site. I don't know exactly how accurate it is, but I just bought a bunch of them because it looks like really good, and the guy who posted it like provided good evidence. So I bought CTO, Room, and community. And then I lost on not that many coins, which is why today was such a good day, is because we took very little losses. We took the wins that we usually do, but I didn't take as many losses as I usually do. So I lost only 2.5 soul on Caesar, which was it said that officers had like shot a cat, but in reality it was not that. Like it was just like the guy had like used the story and misframed it. And then I lost 2.5 on Rip Harambe. The White House posted a Harambe like tweet and said like, oh, Harambe is like bigger than just a meme or whatever. And so I instantly bought Rip Harambe on Bonk, but then they sent it on Pump Fund instead. Yeah, this right here. Today we remember a legend, blah, blah, blah. So that was crazy. And then I lost 1.5 soul on this Bonkuji coin, which is another Bonk coin I lost on, and they were opening like Pokemon cards on it. And then I lost 1.3 soul on Nemo, which was this guy who launched it. I bought like 20 because at first I thought he was super bullish. And then I looked through his account and he had like 16k followers and a bunch of good follows, but his likes or his tweets barely got any views. I mean, obviously the coins did, but if you scroll down a little more, his tweets get like 400, 200, 500, 200, 600. And someone with 16,000 followers, like, I mean, even me, for example, I'll scroll down, I have 22. I get, 200k, 8k, 4k, 5k, 5k. So I immediately was like, yeah, if this guy's only getting 500 views on his tweets, he's probably bought an account. And clearly the coin ended up dying. It went a little higher, but I just pretty much broke even and took my 1 soul loss on it. And yeah, I mean, I guess these are like slightly inaccurate, but that's how we made about 100 and something soul trading meme coins today. My P&L says 107. I think I made a little bit more than that if it counts some of these. And yeah, it was a pretty good day. I hope that the days coming forward continue like this because I'm going on vacation in like a week. So that should be fun. But yeah, we'll see. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.